Even though it's called spicy seafood sauce because it goes perfectly with seafood, but we also dip it with chicken, beef, pork, or even sausages. สวัสดีค่ะ everyone, welcome to Thai Girl in the Kitchen. My name is Pam. Today I am going to show you how to make namjim seafood. My channel is all about sharing home-cooked recipes, so if you like cooking and try new recipes, especially Thai, don't forget to subscribe for new recipes twice a week. Okay, let's get started now. Here's what we are going to use: Thai red chilies. Don't have to go crazy like me, use as many as you like. And a couple cloves of garlic, coriander, and a couple limes or enough for 6 tablespoons. I would have to mash and chop the garlic and chilies before pounding, and the reason is because the size of my mortar and pestle is so tiny, and you'll see it soon. This is my lovely little mortar, traveling size. If you have a decent size, you don't need to chop, just pound roughly. And this type of chili, the more you pound, the spicier it seems to get. And we're gonna add a little bit of salt. Add 1 tablespoon palm sugar, but if you don't have, brown sugar is totally okay. 6 tablespoons lime juice, six tablespoons fish sauce, and this is optional, monosodium glutamate or MSG, a little bit. If you don't eat, it's okay not to add. And now we're gonna give it a good stir until the sugar melts. How does it look? And if you also want to see how to marinate the barbecue in Thai style, I already put the link below for you to check it out, along with a famous namjim jao recipe like this one I'm showing right now. So let me know in a comment, what would you rather have with your barbecue, namjim jao or namjim seafood, or both? Thank you very much for watching. See you again next recipe. สวัสดีค่ะ